Okay. Good evening, you guys. How are you today?
Fine.
Fine. Okay. So I want to ask you, have you ever written a letter to your friends or to your relatives or best friend? Have you?
Yes.
Before we go to the letter, what communication do you always use in your daily activities?
Some message.
So message, like SMS, Line, WA, WhatsApp. What again? BBM, BlackBerry Messenger. Okay. What about letter? How many times do you write letter?
Never. It's so beautiful.
3 times
In
in
a year?
yes
3 times in a year.
yes
Okay then. So yeah, because this is modern, no more letter, no longer used. Yeah, no longer used because people prefer to use mobile phone and internet to communicate. Okay, but today we are going to learn about this one, personal letter. The personal letter for junior high school. So look at the personal letters like this. We have what's the first? This is the address, and then the date.
yeah
Okay, and then to who do you write the letter? Example, this one, dear Tim. Let me read for you. Thanks for your postcard from Spain. Okay. Did you go to Madrid in the end, or did you spend the whole holiday at the beach? My dad went to Spain on business trip last year, and then and said that it was great. So I'm sure you had a good time. By the way, my dad's getting better after his accident. He's walking normally again. So this is the first paragraph. Next, we go to the second paragraph. In the second paragraph, anyway, I'm waiting to tell you about my summer in Cornwall. I had a brilliant time, going to the beach every day. The weather was great and I went surfing along with my friends. There were some huge waves, really cool. Another thing, I'm going out with these amazing girls. She's called Chloe, and she's really lovely with long dark hair and green eyes. We go to the cinema and guess what? She likes surfing too. I think I'm in love. That's for the paragraph 2. Next, the third paragraph or the second paragraph, the third paragraph. Well, I must finish now because I haven't tidied my room. It's a mess, and I've got a basketball match tonight. They've picked me for the year 11 team. Write back soon and tell me all your news. Don't forget to send me a couple of holiday photos, right? And then the last is take care, Kevin. So who is Tim? Two Tim, yeah, the one who will receive the letter, and then Kevin is
one who sent it
okay, the one who sent the letter. Okay, so let's see. The function of the personal letter. The function of the personal letter. There are 3. First, to communicate by writing. Okay, because now you're communicating by calling, by texting, or what we call video call, right? The personal letter to communicate by writing, to give news to close friends and relatives, and also to get in touch with pen friends. Okay, you know what pen friends is?
yeah
what in bahasa?
Sahabat keren.
Really good. Okay. Next. The structure of the personal letter. That I told you before. The first we have introduction. Okay, we have the introduction when Kevin tell about his holiday. No, that's the main paragraph. That's the main. Okay, tell about his dad first, father. They went to Spain, and then the main paragraph is talk about Kevin talk about his holiday, and then reason to finish. The third paragraph is reason to finish. What is the reason of Kevin to finish the letter?
Because he didn't,
Basketball match, and then
he didn't tie
he hasn't
tied
tied it. He hasn't tied it his room. And then the sign off. The sign off. Take care, Kevin. That's the sign off. Okay. And the next, the structure, we have introduction, main paragraph, reason to finish, and sign off. So it means there are four. Okay. Useful vocabulary. Okay, there are useful vocabulary that you can use. First, this is okay. I think the last time we can continue. I think the last time we met is blah blah blah. Do you remember? Okay, tell me all your news. Tell me all your news. You can see from the letter, and then. Next, we have a linking. We have informal words and expression. For example, what? Okay, and then anyway, how are you? So, and then
Guess what? We're going to go out together.
okay, we're going to go out together, and I think I'm in love, blah blah blah, with her, with him, with them. Okay, and the linking that we can use to write the personal letter. Next, the last, we have a style. So the style of the personal letter use informal linkers. Okay, linkers, what's linkers? Link, pangbuo. Okay, and then exclamation marks, and then dashes, and also we have colloquial vocabulary. Okay, so what are you going to do? You are going to write a personal letter based on what we have seen on the slide. So guys, I think that's all for. You are going to practice at home, so I will take it next meeting. Okay. Going to be your homework. Thank you very much for your coming today, and see you next meeting. Good night, everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye.